Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Buick LaCrosse, 2005 to 2009? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. We will show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2005 to 2009 Buick LaCrosse houses and protects essential fuses and relays for engine and major electrical systems. It provides organized, easy access control to prevent electrical overloads and ensure reliable vehicle operation. The engine compartment fuse box for a 2005 to 2009 Buick LaCrosse with a 5.3-liter V8 engine organizes and protects critical fuses and relays for the engine, ignition, and major electrical systems. It ensures efficient power distribution and safeguards components from electrical overloads. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2005 to 2009 Buick LaCrosse manages fuses for interior electrical components like lights, audio, and climate control. It provides organized access to protect circuits and maintain safe, reliable operation of cabin systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.